time to talk about ERP solution implementation and how to do it successfully. A new ERP solution offers a rare opportunity to significantly increase efficiency, enable new capabilities, and substantially improve business performance. But while a modern ERP solution can transform your organization in many ways, its implementation is one of the most complex and high-risk projects you will ever undertake. It's important, critically important, to manage it effectively and to get it right. So what's Ultra's role? First, we work closely with your team, your software vendor, and your implementation partner on the project plan. By combining and multiplying our decades of experience and expertise with companies like yours, we ensure that the project will achieve your goals. We apply proven project management principles, establish effective governance, and develop a resource management plan that organizes your team and leverages its strengths. What's more, our experienced consultants find any gaps in knowledge and skills and determine which resources are needed. Next, we work with your team and implementation partner to incorporate your future state and its optimized processes into the solution design. And we work with your software vendor on configuration to ensure that your unique requirements are met and that the solution will deliver the business performance improvements you need. Then, when your implementation is underway, our experienced consultants provide ongoing project oversight, apply best practices, and give important guidance to your implementation vendor. We also conduct tests to confirm that your implementation is on track and that your solution is on plan. Our testing continues until we can verify that your solution will achieve your future state. Only then do we allow the solution to be deployed. Finally, with your new ERP ready to go forward, our experts work with the entire project team to create and validate a comprehensive deployment plan. We also rehearse the cutover to minimize the risk of business disruption. And then, after a successful final test cycle, the system is approved to go live. Go live is not the end of the project, however. In fact, it's the beginning of continuous improvement cycles and change-driven enhancements. Most important, it's the start of the ongoing effort to realize the significant benefits of your solution, achieve your aspirations for your future state, and discover additional opportunities to improve business performance. For our hundreds of clients, this process translates into a successful ERP implementation and a more significant return on investment. At Ultra Consultants, we effectively partner with companies to implement ERP software solutions. For more information and additional resources on our implementation services, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.